Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build sales strategies with Google, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by researching your target audience using Google Trends. Identify popular search terms related to your product or service. Analyze competitors by searching for similar businesses in your niche. Note their marketing tactics and customer engagement strategies. Set clear sales goals that align with your business objectives. Define key performance indicators to measure success. Next, utilize Google Ads to reach potential customers effectively. Create targeted ad campaigns with specific demographics in mind. Design compelling ad copy that highlights your unique selling points. Use attractive visuals to capture attention and encourage clicks. Set a budget for your ad campaigns and evaluate ROI regularly. Incorporate SEO practices by optimizing your website content. Research relevant keywords and integrate them naturally into your content. Use Google Analytics to track visitor behavior on your site. Identify which pages perform well and which may need improvement. Create a strategic email marketing plan to nurture leads. Segment your audience for more personalized messaging. Craft engaging content that encourages recipients to take action. Consider using Google My Business to enhance local visibility. Ensure your business profile is fully optimized with accurate information. Engage with customer reviews and respond promptly. Finally, continuously analyze and adjust your sales strategies. Use insights from data to inform your decision-making process. Stay adaptable to market changes and customer feedback. By following these steps, you can effectively build sales strategies that leverage Google's resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.